hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for latest updates from Tutorial Different. Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to talk about citrus canker. Okay, so we are going to talk about its symptoms and disease management and its life cycle, what can be favorable condition of its spreading, how can we prevent to spread it. Okay, now all citrus growing areas of India and world. Okay, in world it can be found in Brazil and epidemic in USA. Okay, and in fact all citrus species plant like citrus aurantifolia and citrus reticulata. Symptoms can be firstly symptom on lower side and later on both side of leaves. Both side of leaves mean abaxial or adaxial. Attack on leaves, twig, petiole, branches, fruit and thorns. Small, round, watery, translucent rays, yellow brown spot on leaves and old branches. These kind of symptoms you can find out that the citrus canker is spreading in our plant. So now we are going to talk about all other symptoms. Okay, spot white to greenish and finally red will be rough, corky. Rough lesions surrounded by yellow brown to green raised margin. Okay, it can be water yellow halo type structure. Crater like appearance more common in leaves. Okay, fruit lesions will be rough and corky, and defoliation will be can be less price of fruit due to quality type will be decreases, and disease will be spreading in rainy season. As you can see, most of the unfavorable condition of plant of growing some virus and pathogen will be rainy season. Okay, now you can see some slides of affected plant. As you can see, some spot is showing lower side of the leaves, now upper side of the leaves. Now you can see corky structure and affected plant citrus. That's why we call it citrus canker. Canker in a hypertrophical structure. Now we are going to talk about pathogen. That would be Xanthomonas, axonopodis, citri. Survive canker lesions on twig and branches. Pathogen can be divided and multiply in intercellular. It's mean two different cells. Enters by stomata and wounds. Dissolve the middle lamella that created by calcium and magnesium pectate. So by dissolving the middle lamella, it stabilizes in cortex, and on the duration of high humidity and temperature 20 to 30 degrees centigrade. Now we come to the part of disease management. We should grow disease free stock in nursery. Before planting, spray the area with 1% BM on this type of ratio. Pruning and burn them before onset of monsoon, and spray again 1% BM during rainy season. Balance fertilizer and irrigation. Neem cake you can use. Some spray you can also use streptomycin sulfate at 500 ppm and interval of 15 days. On the resistant variety you can use Sanker 3 or Sanker 4, Kagzi, Nemo SN2. Okay, so these are the all disease management you can prevent the pathogen Xanthomonas. Now we come to the part of life cycle. As you can see, upper side of the slide, host infection through wound and stomata, then symptoms will appear. Okay, now pathogen permeate in affected host tissue. By dissolving middle lamella, it can be permeate in cortex. That will be dormant phase. After breaking the dormant phase, it will be inoculum, and this will be afterward active phase. and it will afterwards disperse by wind and reach the host surface, and after it will germinate, and second cycle will be and the second cycle will be this same as first cycle was, and same process will be following again and again. So it's the disease cycle of citrus canker, and I hope you will get it. So if you have any objection, and comment below. Thanks.